it's me again, Johan, and my brother Jacob. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Johan Wonders. Thanks guys for watching and subscribing our channel. Please stay connected and stay safe. Today, we will do another experiment. This will show us how important it is to wash our hands. We will do pepper and soap experiment. Here are the things that you will need.
Here the things you need.
You need water, pepper, and soap. Are you ready? Then let's get started! First, we will put water.
My turn.
After we put water, we will put pepper. Since water molecules have a high surface tension, it keeps the pepper afloat. It looks like germs.
It looks like germs.
Oh no.
Oh.
Now, the pepper is now the germs. Now we will dip our hands to the pepper and see what happens. Ew, look at the germs. It's sticking in our fingers. Now, we will dip our fingers into the soap and see what happens to the germs. Adding soap breaks down the surface tension, and as the water molecules spread out away from the soap, they bring the pepper with them. Whoa! Did you see that? Can you see the germs running away? It's awesome! That's what happens when you wash your hands and the germs will go away. Without any soap on your finger, the germs or pepper don't move at all. However, germs do not like soap. The soap is able to surround the germs and take them off your hands and wash them right down the drain. This is why the pepper ran away from the soap on your finger. Do you know you need to wash your hands with soap at least for 20 seconds so that the germs can go away? It's like singing a happy birthday song. That's it guys. Hope you learned something from my experiment. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can make more of my exciting and amazing videos. See you on our next experiment. Bye-bye!
2 very boring minutes later.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to me! Happy birthday to me! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to me! Happy birthday to me! Happy birthday to me! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to me!
Previously.
I got it. I do already.
Do it again.
I do already. Oh, this is balloons. Hey, wash your hands.
Thank you for watching.